Hi there, today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy way to create a realistic drop shadow in Photoshop. Here, I have a solid color in background layer and the layer of text. Click to the FX icon at the bottom and choose Blending Options to open the window. In the menu, check to drop shadow. Now you can control distance, size, opacity, angle on the shadow box on the right hand side. There's a tip for you that you can use Move tool to move the shadow of the text besides using option in the drop shadow window. Increase a bit of shine and opacity to 35%. It's great, but it's not really suit me. To make it look more realistic, double the drop shadow with the plus icon next to it. Ensure to check to use global light, because if it turns off, all the shadow cannot follow the same angle. So now I will decrease the distance, size, and opacity. It depends on your style. Don't need to choose the exact amount like me. Let's create another drop shadow to decrease the size and distance a little more. This helps to create layers of drop shadow. That's why you see that it will look more and more realistic after you add in another drop shadow. Make sure the shadow is not too far from the text, otherwise it will not look good at all. Let's see the before and after. If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, technique, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel to simply clicking the subscribe button, and you will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis.